Assalamualaikum. My third design for Singapore National Day. This is Gardens by the Bay. It's we have this in two colors. This color dengan merah, and also it comes in two design, which is the shawl dengan the snoot. We call it Lush. So I love it because I think kan Gardens by the Bay ni dia macam Gardens of the World. It's so beautiful, especially kalau you naik atas, malam-malam pun cantik. So pada siapa who are not Singaporeans and don't stay in Singapore, pun boleh beli juga buat kenangan. Anyway, this is the shawl. I'm going to show you how to wear it. How I wear it. I wear it two styles because pada I ini sangat ringkas dan sangat senang. So what we do is, okay, we do it like that. I wear it like this because senang. The shorter part kat bawah, I mean the shorter part, the other side pendek and the other side panjang. See? And then you just pin. Okay, pin, and then I just selit kat dalam baju normally. Okay, so this one, what I normally do is I normally just pin kat sini. Okay. So I just broochkan kat belakang sini, or I just pin it here kat belakang lah. And if you want this to stay, you can pin it here. Okay. So when you wear it like this, when you wear it like this, you can actually see the whole design lah. You can actually show off the whole design. But kalau you tak suka, you don't like it macam flowing kat bawah sini, what you can do is you bring it up the other side. I wear it like this also sebab dia ringkas. And then you can still adjust the coverage. Okay. This is also ringkas for everyday use. You just put the other side kat sini. And then you might want to pin this one lah, so that dia tak terkeluar-keluar. Okay, see, you can still have the design here, and you can still have the design in front. So basically, these are the two styles I suka pakai. There are more to it. I will show you during the next video. Tapi style yang paling ringkas is this one, and the other one kalau you nak it flowy.